Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Eye of a tiger, be like. 1. Challenge accepted. Why? Confidence helps you face tough tasks. 2. You wake up before your alarm. Why? You're ready to conquer the day. 3. You see the mountain of homework. Why? One page at a time wins the race. 4. You tie your shoes like a champion. Why? Every great adventure starts with a first step. 5. You enter a friendly game with determination. Why? Giving your best is part of the fun. 6. You keep practicing your favorite hobby. Why? Improvement comes from consistency. 7. You miss a shot but try again. Why? Persistence beats perfection. 8. You finish the last puzzle piece. Why? Patience leads to success. 9. You clean your room like it's a mission. Why? Every hero starts somewhere. 10. You carry all the grocery bags at once. Why? Confidence sometimes outweighs common sense. 11. You volunteer to help. Why? Real strength includes kindness. 12. You finally solve a difficult problem. Why? Determination pays off. 13. You cross the finish line smiling. Why? The journey is worth celebrating. 14. You encourage your teammates. Why? Great champions lift others up. 15. You keep going after a mistake. Why? Every setback is a lesson. 16. You learn a new skill. Why? Practice builds confidence. 17. You stand up a tough challenge. Why? Courage grows through action. 18. You organize your workspace. Why? A clear space helps a clear mind. 19. You finish a workout. Why? Small efforts becomes big results. 20. You help someone who needs support. Why? Kindness is a true sign of strength. 21. You fix something instead of giving up. Why? Problem solving is a superpower. 22. You smile before a presentation. Why? Confidence is contagious. 23. You try a new recipe. Why? Every chef starts with a first attempt. 24. You stay calm during a busy day. Why? Focus makes challenges easier. 25. You cheer for others' success. Why? Strong people celebrate together. 26. You bounce back after losing a game. Why? Losing can teach a valuable lessons. 27. You finish reading a long book. Why? Determination turns pages into accomplishments. 28. You chase your goals step by step. Why? Big dreams begin with a small actions. 29. You look in the mirror and say, I've got this. Why? A positive mindset fuels confidence. 30. Keep moving forward. Why? Determination, resilience, and positive attitude helps you grow every day. Having the eye of the tiger isn't about never failing. It's about staying determined, learning from every challenge, and moving forward with confidence. Keep believing in yourself and enjoy the journey. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.